Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to test out this head unit by Carpuride, the 103 Pro. And this can be installed into any car. And today I'll be testing it out on my 1986 Mercedes 300D. I currently have this single DIN radio installed and it's currently paired into this head unit that I already have in my Mercedes. And later in the video, I will discuss the difference between these two head units. We will need the stock head unit that comes with your car to pair to these type of devices. And we also need a 12-volt plug, which can be found in the box right here. It also comes with an adhesive mount to mount to the dash if you want, like I'm using for this one, or a suction cup mount which you can put onto the windshield. And of course it comes with an aux cord. So this is the head unit. It measures to be 11 inches long and 4.5 inches wide. On the back of the unit we have a speaker, a lot of vents for airflow, which is nice. Then we have a USB-C port on the bottom, USB, the audio out, a cam in, an SD card, and finally the mic on the top. The power button's right on top, which has a nice click to it. So in order for this to work, we need the 12-volt plug that will plug into the cigarette lighter in your car. Some cars have cigarette lighters that are always powered and some don't. This is only powered whenever I turn the key over in the car, so that is what you want. And if not, you just have to plug and unplug the unit whenever you want to use it. I'm happy to see that it does have a USB-C type charger. Just gonna plug in the unit in the back, just like so. There you go. And I will be using a suction cup to install it. So you put it into these grooves here and you slide up until it clicks. This can adjust this way, and this can also extend by loosening it. And you can extend it now. Now you have it installed right here. And yes, this has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. What I really like about these portable head units is that I can install it into my old Mercedes like this without damaging its original interior, which is really nice. Go ahead and plug this in. Let's plug in the aux cord to the audio moment of truth. All right, so this is the display. It actually looks really nice. I am impressed. Looks so much better compared to all the other Carpuride head units that are out there. I like this a lot. They did a good job. Let's quickly go over its features. So this is home, question mark, telling you where to contact support, up and down for volume, change the brightness, you can change the background just like this. You can turn on and off Bluetooth, has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, AirPlay, Auto Link, equalizer, Bluetooth, USB, so if you want to plug in USB and play whatever's on that, you can. Has an SD card connection. This is how you connect this unit to the stock unit, which Bluetooth transmission is a newer thing, which I'll discuss in a quick second. And we have settings. So I don't want the device to make any noise. If you want to mirror your iPhone, you can press this and click iOS mirror whenever you're plugged in. So wire link. You can go to Wi-Fi. We can connect. This is how you connect to this unit. Then we can go to drive. This is for the backup camera. There's video warning, park line setting, and rear camera mirror. Let's turn the device speaker on. Go home. Let's go to iPlay, which is Apple CarPlay. We need to go to our phone. We go to our Bluetooth settings. We need to connect to it, which is this one right here. Allow, pair, all that fun stuff. Now let's see how long it takes to connect. It says we're connected via Bluetooth. Bam, there you go. This is the audio coming from the unit. And of course we have the standard apps. Pretty responsive, I like it. Go home. So Bluetooth transmission, we can connect to the radio via FM transmission, which all we have to do is set this and set the radio down below and they will connect via Bluetooth. Right now, my radio is connected to 87.5. The unit is also at 87.5. And now the music's now playing. Right now it's playing through the car and these speakers. That means we're gonna turn off these speakers. So turn off the device speakers. Go back to Apple CarPlay. Now we're connecting through here. It's gonna turn this up. That sounds pretty dang good and comparable to the other units in its class. But this thing has a hidden secret underneath the sleeve, and that is that it can connect via Bluetooth to the head unit, which is really cool. Transmission, Bluetooth transmission. We need to connect to PAL radio. That's what this radio is PAL. Let's go ahead and connect. And you go through here, go aux in, Bluetooth audio. We are now connected. Go home, iPlay. And of course, that's gonna sound much better compared to the FM transmission connection. it will sound as good as connecting via aux cord. So it depends what you want. Do you want the high quality audio? You can connect other units via aux cord, but if you don't want that extra cord dangling on your dash, you know, then you can have a much cleaner look with high quality audio. It depends what you want. So that is indeed the biggest difference between this head unit and the other head units. This I can connect to your stock head unit via Bluetooth. And if you want to check out this head unit, which does have a front dash cam, then check out this video. This is Chris. I always appreciate and respect one another. I'll see you next time.